Winter in Kentucky has set in. However, today, the temperature is a bombing 65 degrees. This is just a quick update on our pond renovation and some issues that we've experienced. The filter is still working wonderfully. I did give it one last cleaning before it started getting cold. Our issue has been with some local wildlife. We noticed last week that our 3 huge goldfish that we've had for over 7 years were missing. First, we thought it may be the dogs that got them. However, after looking at security footage, we found that a red-tailed hawk had plucked 2 goldfish and 1 koi from the pond. I found this animated owl on Amazon that is supposed to scare some of the wildlife away. It's solar powered, the eyes light up and it screeches when anything is close to it. So far, it seems to be working well. I installed a trail cam as well to get a close-up of any predators that may enter the pond area. So far, no more red-tailed hawks. I'll leave a link for the animated owl in the description. I've also added a heater to keep the water above 40 degrees and a piece of floating grate to give the fish more cover. We also added another corgi to the family. Her name is Lizzie. She loves playing with her older sister Lacey. We'll probably add a couple more goldfish and another koi soon. Hopefully we can make it through the rest of the winter without any wildlife issues. Look for more updates in early spring. Thanks for watching this video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up.